Once upon a time, there was a little boy who dreamed of flying in the sky. His name was Liam. Liam had grown up watching airplanes, birds, and superheroes, always dreaming of freely roaming the skies like them. However, in the village where Liam lived, it was believed that flying was impossible. Nevertheless, Liam never gave up on his dreams. One day, on the outskirts of the village, Liam found an old plane in a forgotten and mysterious place. This plane had been used by an adventurer years ago but had been forgotten since. When Liam took a closer look at the plane, he believed it could be repaired and flown again. This was Liam's chance to make his dreams come true. Liam decided to repair the plane. It required a lot of hard work, learning many things, and seeking help from the craftsmen in the village. Every day, after school, he went to the plane and spent hours repairing it. Over time, people in the village began to admire Liam's efforts and came together to help him. Finally, the big day arrived. The plane had been repaired and was ready to fly. With great excitement, Liam boarded the plane amidst the applause of the villagers and started the engine. The plane began to accelerate slowly and, a few seconds later, amidst the astonished gazes of the entire village, it soared into the sky. As Liam flew in the sky, he saw how vast and magnificent the world was. He flew over mountains, rivers, and forests. He flew alongside birds and disappeared into the clouds. Flying was much more exhilarating than he had imagined. In that moment, Liam realized that pursuing his dreams, no matter how difficult they may seem, was possible. Liam's adventure inspired everyone in the village. Now, the children in the village were encouraged to pursue their own dreams. When Liam returned from his adventure, he was welcomed as a hero. He was no longer just a boy who could fly, but also a symbol of believing that everyone could reach their dreams.